Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Hisuian Growlite, easy method. Move to the dense overworld zone where Hisuian spawns cluster and trigger the weather by entering and exiting areas. Check dens and high encounter spots while storms or fog are active to increase alpha chances. Use a paw caiman with false swipe or status moves, and bring plenty of healing items to secure the catch without fainting it. Start by learning the local spawn points where Growlithe shows up in this game and monitor weather that boosts alpha frequency. Walk the area slowly while keeping an eye out for larger sprites or distinct glow, then save before engaging any potential alpha. If nothing appears, change zones or reload the area to force a repopulation. Patience and methodical checks will save time compared to random wandering. Approach the battle with a plan. Lead with false swipe to drop HP to 1 without fainting, then apply a sleep or paralysis status to raise catch probability significantly. Keep healing items on hand in case your team takes heavy damage, and swap to high-tier balls when the alpha is at low health. If it calls allies or uses risky moves, prioritize survivability and repeat the save and reset loop if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.